2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax indicating 2 owners, no accidents, actual miles right now at 21,418. 6.4 liter Hemi underneath the hood. That is paired up with a Torque Flight 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. I'll tell you where to check out the window sticker in just a bit. First, let's take a look at the front fascia, grille, chin spoiler. You can see paint showing well up here. This would be considered sublime green pearl. Interior is the leather interior group. Suede Napa leather high performance seats with logo. Still pictures. That's where you'll be able to see the window sticker, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see paint has a nice shine to it, good finish, almost looks like it's wet. Big Brembo brakes up front, Dodge wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. Now, with the window sticker, you'll also receive a copy of the build sheet, goes along with this, and there's also a 3-ring binder of miscellaneous receipts as far as service and a few mild modifications that were done. You'll be able to have that 3-ring binder. Side glass is rolled down just for this video purpose. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see it with the windows up, and the windows are tinted. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. You can see that rear window also tinted. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I did mention that window sticker. I can hit on just a few of the other options on this car. It does have the power sunroof, as you can see. I mentioned that leather interior group earlier. And the Napa suede seats, which you'll also get the heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic column. It does have the Uconnect, so you can have GPS, nav, HD radio, Sirius XM capabilities. So very nicely equipped Challenger. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see the window sticker and everything I'm talking about, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car. You can see paint shows well on this side also. If you're a Mopar fan, or maybe just like late model muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. Look forward to seeing you if you can make it to check these cars out in person and check out our huge indoor showroom, which you'd be able to see on the website also. Some still pictures on there. Now, as you can see, you do have rear parking assist. You have the front camera on this car. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We will take a peek underneath the hood, and then, of course, we'll take it for a drive, too, at the end of this video. Stick around to the very end. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, as you can see. There's those suede seats. And then, of course, the RT logo right here. Kind of what we mentioned earlier with that Napa suede leather seats. Steering wheel controls for many functions. And of course, you can see the paddle shift on the steering also. And remember, that is a Torque Flight 8-speed automatic transmission. Will come with both key fobs. Of course, the Alpine stereo system in this one. There's your exact miles, 21,418. No check engine light, service engine, anything like that, just the seat belt indicator. Dash looks good. Here's that front view. You'd also have rear camera. Dash looks good. Mentioned that sunroof. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. And of course, under power, that will really come alive. Let's go check out the engine bay and underneath the hood. Let me pause it a second so I can get that open and see how it looks underneath there. Alright, underside of the hood, also very clean. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. When I was opening the hood, I did notice it also has the kind of the 3M, I guess, style protective film that's on the front of it. And it's a nice job. You can't really see it's there at all. There's that Hemi. SRT power. 6.4 liter. So it has a JLT catch can added on there. Good looking engine bay. No surprises on this one. Again, clean Carfax indicating 2 owners. No accidents indicated, confirmed low miles. 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Check out that window sticker, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're taking a drive in a 2015 Dodge Challenger. And one of the best colors they offered, the green, the quite possibly sublime green. A throwback to the great green of the early 70s on these cars. And it takes no time at all to get up to speed. What a fast car, what a fun car. This is an automatic, super easy to drive because of that. You can also paddle shift. If there's any flickering going on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car's dash itself. Great sound and stereo in this car. Nice low mile machine with excellent paint and some really nice interior. Cloth seats with leather trimmed edges. A cloth insert. Better for those hot days when you're just getting in the hot car. Our temperature gauge is just a little below half. Fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. And those are digital. We do have real needles for the tachometer and speedometer, which I like. Corners very well. Take it easy on the throttle in the corners. I can feel the back end wanting to go. And when you get in a straight line, she really wants to go. What a fun car to drive in the greatest color, I'll just say it. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2015 Dodge Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.